how to remove Amazon Echo from Alexa. If you wish to remove Amazon Echo from Alexa, in my case I have connected this Echo device to my Alexa app. So if I want to remove it, I can launch the Amazon Alexa application, then tap on the bulb icon from the bottom of the screen right here. Once you tap the bulb icon over here, you'll find all these various options. So you'll just have to wait until you see the Alexa Echo dot here, tap on it, then just tap on this gear icon, which is the settings icon of this device, then just scroll down and you want to tap on the delete device option. So you can see register to, you have to tap on this deregister button. As you deregister, the Echo Show will be removed from your device and also it will get resetted and it is displaying orange light, which means it can be connected to other devices now. That way you can remove Amazon Echo from Alexa. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.